Charles Marshall Senior, been here since I left school when I was 15, worked my way up through the business and finally got to the position I am now.
My name's Charles Marshall Jr. I work for my family's company, Marshall Trailers in Aberdeen. My father's joined the business sort of 35, 40 years ago. He continued it on and sort of grown it to where it is now. And then there's me and my brother David, who joined the business 5 years ago.
The company was formed in '52 by my father. Saw an opportunity to make something. At that time in history, the agriculture was starting to pick up post-war.
After a couple of years, we decided that we were going to embark on the plan that we're on now, basically. Improve the quality drastically, invest in machines, automation, reorganise the whole factory basically so the product's right every time. The way that we used to sort of talk about it was we were like a blacksmith, like a really big blacksmith. You know, the products wouldn't always be the same, quality could vary, things like that. Whereas now every product's the same over and over again. You order a Marshall trailer, it'll arrive and it'll be perfect every time. To grow anymore, we need to organise the factory better. So this is where SAP and Absoft have come in. We were running around connecting, joining all the dots and connecting everything together to make the factory flow and work and things like that. And it was becoming more and more difficult because customers' expectations have risen. The bar that we've set ourselves has risen as well because the quality has risen, so people expect that every time. And it was getting to the point that humanly we couldn't manage it, so we needed to organise better basically. The main reason we chose Absoft Adima was because it was the one system that we could use in all the different areas of our business. Real-time information is going to make a huge difference to how we run our business and will allow us to have real-time reporting across the board, meaning we can make informed business decisions. This is the only way that we could see to grow, so I'd say do it. If you're thinking long-term, do it. You'll get all the help you could possibly get. And yes, it's going to take a few years for it to settle in, get it implemented and some hard work, but the payoffs are so massive. If you want to grow your business and you want to go forward, it's the best thing to do it. Honestly, it's a massive change it's made to us.
So I've answered the phone. They seem to give us the commitment from day one. Obviously, as a manufacturer, we manufacture trailers. I don't make software. And I need to feel very comfortable that whoever's going to implement this and install this, and more importantly run with us for many years, is going to be there backing it in a reasonable, sensible fashion so that I can continue my business seamlessly. It terrifies you. You are scared to do it, but it's easier to move a little bit, whereas we have decided to take quite a huge step, move into it. I feel that the product is so capable. We will never, in my belief, we won't outgrow SAP's ability to be used for us.